Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Tanner, and this is my Adaptations Trifold presentation. So the material I decided to cover for this presentation is a greater than, less than, and equal to value worksheet. So the first student that I will be adapting this material for is a student named Kendrick. Kendrick has been diagnosed with a specific learning disability known as dyscalculia. This makes it difficult for him to do things like hold numbers in the back of his head and remember math facts. He also struggles to understand concepts surrounding quantity, which will make it difficult for him to assess whether one number is less than or greater than another number on this worksheet. He often needs additional materials, additional time, and some extra explanations to grasp mathematical concepts that other students might grasp a little bit faster. So to help him with this worksheet, he will be given two 10 by 10 chart cards that for each problem on this worksheet. So right here, this first card is a value of 30 being compared to the other card, which is a value of 50. And because he has a visual representation to see that one chart is being filled more than another chart, he can get a better idea that this is a larger number and would be given the greater than symbol. Another student who will need additional support for this worksheet is Logan. Logan has ataxic cerebral palsy, which gives him poor control over his arms and legs. It's very difficult for him to reach for materials, and his disability also makes it very difficult to write. And so for his adaptation, he will not be completing a worksheet, but will still be working on the same problems by playing a game. So for this game, he will receive 3 paper bags. One will be marked with greater than, another one will be marked with less than, and another one will be marked with equal to. He will receive the same 10 by 10 cards that Kendrick received for his adaptation, except him and another teacher will be using these cards to play a game. So if he were to pick the cards shown on this board, the 30 and 50 value, let's say that Logan has the 30 card while the teacher he's working with has the 50 value card. Logan will decide to place his card in the less than bag, while his teacher will place it in the greater than bag. If Logan and the teacher have 2 cards with the same value, they will both place them into the equal to bag. This decision will be made by him as he's playing the game. That way it is still his work. The last student who will need adaptations for this worksheet is Riley. Riley is a student who has Down syndrome. This makes it hard for her in class to sometimes express herself orally, and she often needs for directions to be repeated or phrased in a different manner. She responds extremely well to visuals, especially in mathematics, and she also prefers hands-on activities. To make this material fit Riley's learning needs, she will be receiving a set of base 10 blocks along with a weighing scale. Riley will be given an explanation that the greater number will be going down on the scale, while the lesser number will be going up on the scale. She will also be explained that 2 numbers that are the same will stay at the same level on the scale. So for each problem on this worksheet, the teacher that Riley is working with will set 2 piles of base 10 blocks that match the 2 numbers on the worksheet. Riley will be placing 1 pile onto the left side of the scale and the other pile onto the right side of the scale, and then she will be making the decision as to which number is the greater number and which number is the lesser number, or if the 2 numbers are equal. Thank you all for listening to my Adaptations Trifold presentation, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.